Check it out. Did you know you can add a wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto to your 2013 to 15 Lexus LS? It's going to show up right here on the factory screen. You can interact with your original mouse. Stay tuned to the end of this video and we'll talk about the biggest drawbacks of this product. Here you can see wireless CarPlay running on the original screen. We've taken over the left-hand portion of this screen here. Whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, or any other app, you're going to have easy access to all of your songs and beautiful cover art. As well, you'll have access to beautiful navigation, whether you use Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or otherwise. We've precision-tuned this device to work with your factory microphone. Phone calls sound great, and talking to Siri is a breeze. What's 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2 is 4.
This device is going to make your LS feel like a brand new car. Backed by a 3-year warranty, designed and engineered in Raleigh, North Carolina, this system is sure to impress. We distribute these to Lexus dealerships as well as DIY customers across the United States. Long holding the menu button for 3 seconds switches you back to that factory operating system. All factory features are available here, including your original XM, FM, and AM radio. Back in CarPlay, you'll easily see that you can shift to reverse and bring up your factory backup camera. You won't lose any features with this kit. Let's talk about the biggest drawbacks now of the Lexus LS 2013 to 2015 Apple CarPlay upgrade kit from Hamilton Motor Company. This car was originally designed with a screen that's broken by Lexus into 2 parts. You have this part on the right that's the original information panel, and you have the part on the left that could display high-speed data. The upgrade kit only takes over the portion on the left here. This part of the screen is baked into the factory screen from the factory. There's nothing that can override it. So you'll have beautiful CarPlay on one side and, quite frankly, this very nice split screen view on the other side that gives you climate control information, or you can switch back to the factory screen and change it to show your music or your vehicle consumption data. We're going to have a full installation video on our YouTube channel. Give us a call at 919-858-2890 if you have any questions. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. I'll see you in the next video.